Hello, fellow YouTubers. Well, 2008 Ford Escape. Got an issue with the keys here. Let me see here. I don't have much light in the garage here, so this is going to be a hard video to watch, and it's friggin' cold out. Can't turn the key to come back and come out. The key won't come out of the ignition switch, so I have to take this top cowling off. Then we got to get the bottom off so I can get the ignition switch out. But first thing, we gotta disconnect the battery. So we just use an 8mm on this, on the little nut here, battery post, negative, and we disconnect it. So it's safer to do it that way, and then we can put it back together when it's fixed. So let's go take that cowling off now. Okay, so I'm gonna use a small screwdriver, and I'm gonna gently pop the top part and then take the bottom part off. This is how I'm gonna do it, but I can't really do it with one hand because it's too tough for me. So I'll show you when I got it done. Okay, so that was easy. You just push this in and pop it up. You can see the little teeth there. So I'll do the other side, and it should be the same. Okay, there's that side, and that part just comes up in one piece like that, just like that. And wow, dusty and dirty in there. Okay, I'm gonna take the bottom part, but I gotta go inside the house and warm my hands up because, well, my fingers are freezing, so I'll be right back. Okay, let me get my flashlight. The top part is off. Now I gotta get this bottom part, and you can see there's a hole there, I think one there, and you have to get a 5.5 millimeter socket in there to take this off. So I'll show you once it's off. Just remember, 5.5. Okay, so you got nice, tiny little screws, and there's 3 of them, and then it'll have to come down, and then this will have to come out. So I will get that out. I need both hands again. Thank goodness the sun is just in the right spot. Helps you see this a little bit better, but it's cold outside here. Okay, so this side, somehow, I was able to pull the key out and turn it back. So, let's get this bottom part out. I know it's kind of hard to see when there's no light. This is not a heated garage, so it really hurts. It really bites. Okay, come on out. And the floor is very hard on my knees. Okay, I need both hands. Just 1 second. Okay, this part, there's a little bit of trick to this part. Oh man, my knees are killing me. You just turn it over like that, over the lever here, to get this part out. Just like that. So, I'm gonna take this in. Oh yeah, doesn't that look fun? Okay, so. There's the part that I'm gonna get out. So, I'm gonna go warm my hands up again. And we'll be back in just a minute. Okay. So, I can take this part off. Pull these clips up. And one on the bottom. And then this part will come off. And it's this one I need out. So, I'll be right back. Oh. Sorry about that. So I got this part off. And now I have to get the tumblers out, or the tumbler ignition lock out. Okay, so there it is. Now, you see that hole right, oh, you see that hole right there? I'm gonna put, I think that part, here, let me show you. I need more than 2 hands, so. Need better eyesight. See that part in there moving? This piece should just slide out if I push something down in there. And big shout out to Amy with a shish kebab stick. I'm gonna push down on that, and that tumbler should just come right out. Let me see if I can't do this. Well, I need another hand. Just 1 second. So here it is. I guess it's easier to have your key in, and because you have to pull it out, and that is the little thing that you push down in that hole, and you have it kind of turned on a little bit so that it has a good grip. But that's it right there. So I'm gonna put the new one in, cylinder lock, and that's what it looks like in there. So the next bit of work can be done inside where it's nice and warm, because it's cold out here today, minus 14, so it's not much fun. My fingers are freezing again. So let's go in the house. Okay, so here's the new piece right there. And I put a different one of these tumblers. Had to figure out which tumbler went in there. But you have to put in where the round part is, you have to put a spring in there, and then you put the tumbler in there. And I'll show you what they looks like without the key in there. But like once you put the key in, it should be nice and smooth all the way around, so the instructions say. And then we put this part into here, turn it, and then once this is complete, we just go put this part, pop it into that housing, like we took this one out. Should be easy. Let's see if it is. And this is what one of the tumblers looks like. Number 2. See that little spring in there? That's what pops it up. Good. And to keep them all safe and sound, you just put the key in and it holds the tumblers in. Okay, one thing you have to do is align that notch. I don't know if you can see it very well, but if you align that notch up with this sliding part, it should work. It should slide in. The tumbler should slide in real easily. Also, the kit gives you some lube so that the tumblers slide easily and stuff like that. So I just lube the inside, and it won't have no sticking tumblers and stuff like that. So that should make it work really good. Okay. Okay, so there it is. It slides in like that. I couldn't really do it without both hands, but this is how it goes. Start and then start and then off. Start and then off. So that's it right there. So what we can do, don't get them mixed up. Put the old one back in. Let's go put the new one in, and oh, you know what? It doesn't turn too bad. Right on. Okay, let's go try it out. Okay, we're back out in the dark, and we're gonna put the new cylinder tumbler unit in there. Should be nice and easy. So this right there lines out at the top. And it should go in, and it should just click in. Okay, there it is. I just had to line up the end of this cylinder into where it connects into the housing there, and it just slid in really nice and easy. So we'll just put this part back on. This should just clip on, nice and easy, just like that. And where are my keys? Yeah, that's nice. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna clean this out tomorrow, but I'm gonna start it. I'll hook up the battery now, make sure it starts good, because I need this truck. It's the only truck that has a good heater in it. It's 4-wheel drive. So let me put the battery back together. All right. Tighten it up. Good. All right, let's go in and try to start her. Okay. There we go. Whoa. There we go. Radio is on. Boy, poor little girl is cold. Okay. Well, like I said, I'm going to clean that up tomorrow, but that has been changed now. I have washed the cowling or from the steering column off inside, and it's drying. So that's how you replace an ignition cylinder lock. Hope you enjoyed this. Oh yeah, oh, the key goes in and out, so nice. Very good. All right, now we can put the cowling on, make it all complete. All right, well, this piece is really easy. Just put it in and then lift it up, and it just, you know, 1, 2, 3 screws, and then the top part just snaps in on both sides. So that's how you replace a ignition cylinder lock. Hope you enjoyed the movie. Like and subscribe. I'm always fixing something, and I try to do it in the nice weather, but sometimes this usually happens at the worst time of the year. Well, actually, you know what? It could be worse. It could be colder. It's only -14 today, -15 tonight. So like and subscribe, leave a comment. Bye for now. This job is Bix approved.